Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sayyid Raj Bukhari, and in this video, I will explain how you can install free La-ravel multi-vendor website into your localhost. In this video, I will describe the feature on that website. Okay, so I'm already set it locally, so I will explain how you can set up it locally. So first of all, you need to go localhost PHP myadmin, and also remember you need to install XAMPP and start Apache and SQL. After that, you need to create a new database, something like that. I also create this database, and after that, you need to import a file that is in MV store. I also add the link in the description so you can easily download the zip file and extract this and add this zip file and import this. Okay, if you are not able to successfully import this file, so I also explain another method to you. You can simply import this through cmd. So copy this file and go to the localhost XAMPP, MySQL and bin folder. Place the file here, something like that, and open CMD. After that, you can write MySQL minus u username of your localhost minus p. Write database name here and less than sign and write file name dot sql, means your complete name of your file. Okay, after that you can press enter, and then you need to press enter two times, and this file also import into your database using mysql. Okay, after that import, you can simply hit this folder and this website working fine. I also create a local host or virtual for that, so mvstore.wilmet.com. So I also explain how you can simply add this. First of all, go to the XAMPP Apache config extra folder and open vhost http underscore vhost. Okay, copy the same as above and paste this. Add the link in the document root link of the Laravel project, and server name, you can also add any server name to your website. Okay, it's the procedure to create a virtual host. And one step one is that update the http vhost, and the second step is go to the windows system 32 drivers etc and open the vhost file. You also need to change this permission if you are not able to update it, so you can easily update its permission by user and add all permission to a specific user. Then you can easily open this and write this. So copy your this file and paste here and write the name of your virtual host. After that, you need to stop them server and start again. After that, you can easily set up this website into your localhost. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. If you have any problem, please comment below. Thanks.